Explorers. So I am at the Ponce City Market in Atlanta, Georgia, and I actually just finished a photo shoot through my Airbnb experience, in which I will link my experience down below so you can learn more about it. But I'm going to show you a little bit about Ponce City Market, and let's go. So at the market, they have outdoor shopping area, outdoor seating area for food, but inside they have a wonderful food hall as well as more shops. So let's head inside. So as you can see, there's the first level where a lot of the restaurants are located, and a second level where you can go and eat and sit down, and there are a few shops up here as well. So down below behind me, I am pointing there, yes, that is Spiller Park Coffee. I take a lot of my Airbnb guests there, and I have amazing coffee and breakfast. The market opens officially at 10 a.m., but restaurant opening hours vary because of what they may serve. But like the coffee place actually opens before everything else in the market really opens, like the stores and other restaurants. But the market can get very busy. They have a lot of parking. They have parking at ground level as well as in a garage down below. It costs using the Park mobile app. So behind me, you see a Beltline sign. The Beltline is a walking path here in Atlanta that I can't remember how many miles it stretches, but you can go on the Beltline and you'll see people running, walking their dogs, bike riding, all types of stuff, artwork, whatever. So the Beltline connects to the Ponce City Market. Here today, but the roof, that elevator there is a separate fee. It takes you up to the rooftop where you can have amazing views of Atlanta, eat, drink, and have fun. Even in the winter time, during Christmas time, they may change the rooftop into an ice rink. So the Ponce City Market has so much to offer, so much to do, from shopping to Soul Cycle to all you can eat. Like, I mean, they have food from fried chicken to Moroccan to macaroons to Chinese food, Thai food. They have everything in there. They have the coffee, they have breakfast spots, the rooftop, and then they have the city winery here where you can go for wine tasting, have lunch with the girls, or sometimes they have special performances here. Ponce City Market is definitely a great place to visit if you're ever in the Atlanta, Georgia area. Now, as I mentioned, they do have parking available, but it can get very hectic during busy times. It is really busy on the weekend, especially at the later in the day it gets. So please plan accordingly. If you're going to get here and you have to be here at a certain time, make sure you leave in a timely manner. And it could be a fight to find a parking space. So if you do come later in the day, especially on a weekend or holiday, just go ahead and go straight downstairs to park. You still may fight, but it's definitely a bigger fight up on ground level. If you do park here, it costs, for 2 hours, it costs like a little over $4 for 2 hours through the Park Mobile app, as I mentioned. There is places you can park on the street, but it's going to be a walk, like a good 15-20 minute walk, depending on your time speed and how far away. It could be shorter, but you have to be mindful. The places to park around here, people do live, so you have to make sure it isn't reserved for someone who lives here, or it could be somewhere you still have to pay to park. So if you take ride sharing here, so Uber or Lyft, there is a specific drop off and pickup points for Uber and Lyft, but again, when it gets crazy in here, it's going to be hard for them to get in and navigate. So with that said, just plan accordingly, come out to the market and enjoy a wonderful day at Ponce City Market. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of me showing you around the market. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will leave the link to Ponce City Market down in the description box. Otherwise, make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when next week's video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are.